Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I'm also telling about maritime injury lawyer. Okay, so guys, let's start. First at all, open the Chrome and search top of the screen. Open the Google and search top of the screen maritime insurance. Okay, so guys, search here maritime injury lawyer. Okay, so guys, search here. In this video I'm also telling about what is a maritime injury. Okay, how do I become a maritime lawyer in the UK? Okay, so guys, I'm also telling about how do I became a maritime lawyer in the UK. Courses convert to law, master's degree, master's plus, and many more. Okay, so what does a maritime lawyer do? Okay, what does do a maritime lawyer do? So guys, uh, in this video I'm also telling about maritime lawyers. Okay, so let's start. First at all, top of the screen search maritime lawyer. Okay, and the question is, what does a maritime injury lawyers do? Okay, injury lawyers do. So guys, the answer is, if you have been in the maritime injury for at least a little while now, you are aware that there is a process you have to follow to recover compensation after a work injury. You may even know the process differs based on whether you are a seaman, a longshoreman, or harbor or dock worker. You are now hearing that you should conduct a maritime injury lawyer if you have been injured on the job. But what does a maritime injury lawyer do? How can such an attorney help an employer you are? Okay, so guys, the trusted maritime accident attorneys, the Quest law firm PC, have helped maritime workers in Houston, Texas recover compensations for DDoS. Below we discuss our job as maritime injury lawyers in more details. If you have any question or think you have claim, contact our firm. Okay, building your case. To put it simply, a maritime injury lawyer A maritime injury lawyer helps injured maritime workers recover compensation after they have been hurt on the job. But this line of work is not simple. When a client comes to us to ask for help, we determine what kind of case they have. Okay, so for instance, if a harbor worker were hurted in a crime accident, they would likely be covered under the Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act. That means we are dealing with what amounts to be a federal workers' comp claim rather than a lawsuit. This changes our approach. Instead of building a case that highlights the employer's negligence, we focus on showing the severity of the victim injuries to ensure full compensations. On the other hand, if a seaman who was injured on a unseaworthy vessels comes to, so providing your maritime claim is also here, gathering evidence that shows the accident, such as photos or videos, presenting evidence that shows the unseaworthy vessels or their negligent conditions, handling all legal paperwork to completion and on time, drafting documents to present to the court or opposing parties. Okay, so guys, in this, keep in mind that while land-based regulations for personal injury lawsuits mostly applied in Jones Act and admiralty claims, okay, maintenance and cure incomplete replacement disabilities, okay, content are maritime injury lawyers. Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. In this video I'm also telling about how what does a maritime injury lawyer do. Okay, so inshallah we will meet again in next videos. Allah Hafiz.